Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM gesture series, in this video we'll see how to perform scroll using W3C mobile gestures, and we'll mainly focus scrolling based upon the percent. Okay, see percent is one of the argument in the W3C mobile gesture. Okay, so we'll see how exactly we can use this percent, and we'll see different percent, how much it's scored based upon the percent. Okay, so as you know, for Android we have 9 W3C mobile gestures command. For scrolling we are using the command mobile colon scroll gesture. Okay, we had to use this mobile colon scroll gesture command. Okay, and what exactly the mobile colon scroll gestures are about. See, it performs a scroll gesture on a given element or an area. Means we can perform the scroll on a given element or an area. Okay, the supported arguments we have the element ID, and the ID is a element to be scrolled. Okay, if element ID is missing, we need to provide the scroll bounding area. The scroll bounding area consists of this left, top, width, height. So these four will use to define the scroll bounding area. Okay, suppose if you provide both element ID and scroll bounding area, then the element ID will be preferred. Okay, and the direction. So direction is used to mention which direction I need to scroll. Okay, define which direction I need to scroll, and it is a mandatory value here. Okay, the accepted values are up, down, left, right, and it is case insensitive. Okay, so main in this video we are focusing about percent. Okay, so what is the percent argument all about here? So the percent is nothing but the size of the scroll has a percent of scrolling area size. Okay, and valid values must be float numbers greater than 0. Okay, where 1.0 is 100% and it is a mandatory value here. So we talk more about this one. So if you open the notepad, so the percentage is, suppose 100%, okay, is equal to 1.0 here. So if you mention 1.0, it is 100%. So you will take it like this. It is 100%. Okay. Suppose if you mention 0.5 here, so it is 50%. Okay. And if you want to do 25%, if I give 0.25, it will be 25%. Okay. And you can give any percent, but it should not be in negative here. Okay, so we can give it from 0 to 100. Okay, and we should not give the negative percent here. The values must be not be negative here. Okay, you can able to provide this value also. So you can give like this also. So it will be 85%. Okay, so this is how we can able to provide the percent here. Okay, suppose you want to 50%, just give 0.5%, that's it. Okay, and the next argument is the speed. The speed at which perform this gesture in the pixel per second. Okay, and the value should not be negative, and default is the 5000 into display density. And by using this mobile colon scroll gesture, it returns a value. The return value is a boolean 1 equals to true if the object still roll in a given direction. Okay, now we will perform the scroll here. Okay, so I'll open the emulator. So I want to scroll on this one. Okay, I want to scroll on this one. Okay, and we will see the percent also. Okay, suppose I want to scroll 100%, it will go like this till here. Suppose I want to perform 50%, so it will be this much. Okay, so we'll see how exactly if you give 50%, how much scroll percent it will do it in this element here. Okay, so we'll go back to our Eclipse, and then quickly create a class here. The name of the class has scroll based on percent. Okay. So I just copy this basic setup and tear down methods to save the time. Just remove this unwanted class name and package name and just rename the class here, name here. Okay. Now our setup and tear down methods are ready, and we are giving the capabilities, that is the platform name Android, automation name UI automated 2, and device name I am giving here. Okay. Now I need to perform the scroll based on the percent here. Okay. So first of all, we write the code driver, and we need to cast this driver to JavaScript executor. Okay. So just say Java script executor. Okay. And now I use this method called execute script, and I need to give the key as mobile colon scroll AC smaller case gesture. Okay, that's it. So this is a key, and I need to give the few arguments. So I am using the immutable map of dot of, and then I need to give a set of arguments here. So first argument I had to use the element ID. Element ID, I need to provide the value here. Okay. So the element is nothing but the scrollable element here. Okay. In this case, so we'll open this one, and we open the Appium inspector, and the element ID is this one. This is a scrollable element. Okay. So this is I am using this the selector value, and I am selecting this strategy Android UI automator. Okay. Just go to the Eclipse and say here driver dot find element Appium by dot Android UI automator, and then give the selector value here, that is the locator value here. Okay. And then pass this value to the element variable called element, and this element type is web element. Okay, that's it. Now I need to pass this element here. So I need to cast this element to remote web element to fetch the ID. So get ID method I can use it here. Okay. Now I need to the mandatory fields is the direction. Direction is a mandatory field. So I am going direction to down. So I have to give in double quotation down. Okay. And next one is a percentage. Okay. Now I have to give the percent. The first I will use the percent, 100% I will use. Okay, we'll see if you use 100% what will the effect here. Okay, so I run the script. Okay, so 100% means it has to go till here. Okay, like this. So the last one, it is this one. Okay, we'll run the script here. So Appium, yes, Appium server is running. We'll click on run. So we'll see if you give percentage 100, how much it will scroll. Why it is failed? See here. Percent is not present. Yes. So I given the typo here, so we have to give a proper spelling here. So this is the percent. So we will be careful about using these keys here. Okay, so we have to not have any typos. Okay, once again run it. So if you will see if you give 100%, how much it scrolls. Why it is failed? Okay, element ID I have given here. Okay, okay, see here also I given typo here. Okay, this is a mistake, I am going to edit. Yes, so this is typo, sorry for that one. So run it once again. See 100% how it scrolled, how much it scrolled. See, so till here it is scrolled, it came till here. Okay, okay, till here it came. Okay, so if you give 100%, it will scroll the view into 100% here. Okay, now what I will do, I will give as 50%, means it has to scroll till here. Till here it has to scroll. Okay, so I will give it as 0.5, means it is 50%. Okay, we run once again. So this video basically about how we can use this percent, and if you use 50%, how much view, how much scroll you can do it, how much amount of scroll you can able to perform here. See, this is 50% we perform here, 100% till it went here. Okay, now I want to give 0.25, 50% here. Okay, I run with 50%, means it will scroll bit only 25% of scroll it will do, because sometimes in our daily activity, okay, we need to perform the small amount of scrolling, so then this percent, okay, will come into handy here. Okay, so what I will do now, okay, so we have seen the 100%, 50%, 25%. Now I will give in a different way, because we can say as we can give as that we can say as 88%. Okay, we can provide this value also. Okay, we'll see how much it will be. So it depends upon our requirement. Okay, suppose I want to perform full scroll, one page scroll, or if I want to perform the 50% scroll, so we can use this percent key here. See, this much. So this is the use of the percent, okay, argument, okay, in the scroll gesture here. Okay, if you like this video, click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.